Hold up.
Like, in your life, you always should experience something. And I really didn't think that I would experience a Zoom wedding. I thought कि ये सब हो जाएगा कि लेकिन कोई शादी नहीं करेगा मेरा दोस्त लोग में से. But thank you, Adar. Thank you,
Bro,
Kashish.
I'm so worried about calling comedians because I was like, I need to experience this on my own so that I am the only person with this material after the lockdown. जितने comedians को बुलाऊंगा सबका एक-एक. So I went to Adar's sister's wedding.
So can I tell you, on my reception was on 8th March, and back then the coronavirus news had started. Everything was in full swing. We had kept a hand sanitizer at the reception.
Yeah, I remember this.
Yeah, we kept a hand sanitizer there, and people were taking photos with it because it was a joke. It was like, oh, coronavirus, bro. And then 1 week later, सब कांड लग गया.
तो मम्मी बोल रही है जो बचा कुचा कपड़ा है ना अपने तेरे जो शेरवानी का आदर लेके आना. ना लाइक क्यों लेके आना? मे बी लाइक महंगा होगा क्योंकि पापा का कपड़ा काफी महंगा था, मेरा नॉर्मल है. तो मम्मी बोल रही है हाँ बचा के लाना. बाद में मम्मी कशिश को भी बोल रही है तेरा कुछ बचा हुआ कपड़ा. बोल बचे हुए कपड़े का क्या कर रही है? मे बी वो बीच का पर्दा है, बचे हुए कपड़ों से बना रही है कि इतना चिंदी क्यों कर रही हो?
नहीं, ये मुझे पता है किसके लिए.
मम्मी ने मास्क खरीदे.
के लिए
नहीं, मम्मी ने मास्क खरीदे और जो मेरा मटेरियल का शेरवानी है वो मास्क पे स्टिच होएगा.
Wow. Bro, this is mom. This is mom brain. This is mom.
No, but I will not be surprised if literally after this thing ends, Manyavar comes out with a range of masks in that fabric. It'll be amazing.
If there was any other way to make Manyavar look worse.
WHERE से WHR हो सकता है where, and WHAT से WHT हो सकता है what. तो FRESH से FRSH fresh क्यों नहीं हो सकता? This is the opening line of his ad.
Oh, I thought ये तू joke कर रहा था.
No, this is the opening line of Salman's ad, and the amount of
and can I say one more thing? I've seen the ad, Adar.
Yeah.
And
million
again,
cuts.
It is like it is like that. It is like that.
It's short over 7 months. It's short over 7 months. Every Thursday को आके वो एक लाइन बोल के जाता है.
My God.
आज क्या बोल रहे हैं? आज बोल रहा है is. Okay. Ish. नहीं भाई is.
You know,
भाई ish.
I think
equal to अंदाज़ अपना.
No, dude, they must have dropped the E because it would mean an extra week for him to say it.
Yeah. एक बार तो उसके hand sanitizer का नाम fresh है.
Fresh, yeah.
That's actually wrong branding because मेरे को लगा वो deodorant के लिए नाम होना चाहिए. It should have been clean.
But it was supposed to be a perfume.
Deodorant.
Yeah, but it should have been.
Perfume.
I get it, but then keep that name for the perfume when you launch it, and then if you want to do it for a sanitizer, call it like clean or whatever without.
I have a feeling.
No, it'll be clan.
Yeah, but CLAN clean. It's that.
Clean.
अरे भाई ने बोला clean है ना तो clean है. Okay.
No. You remember that shitty DDLJ fact? तुम्हें पता है सगाई की उंगली इधर क्यों पहनी जाती है? क्योंकि इसी नस की whatever. It's actually true according to where is it gone? According to the Romans, it is called the vena amoris, which is actually the vein of love. So it's coming from So it's coming from there. Even the ghungat, the brides traditionally
the ghungat goes straight to the heart.
Talking about Indian weddings, right?
एक चीज पूछनी थी मेरे को about wedding cards. तूने wedding card, physical wedding card खाली हम लोग को दिया था. So what was the other like system where you actually?
नहीं, I'm assuming उसने family को भी दिया था.
Yeah. I was just the three of you.
इतना भी special नहीं है अपने को कि सिर्फ 3 कार्ड प्रिंट हुए और वो हमारे पास आए.
So there was this one wedding I went to. It was in Chandigarh. Okay. So the guy first calls me and says that come 2 days before. So then I was like, but 2 days, I don't want to be. Yeah, I don't want to be there. They said, नहीं हमारे साथ बैठ के jokes लिखो and all. I was like, bro, just forget, not happening.
Dude, 1 second. They had a wedding and before it they had a writer's room.
Yeah. Hard work, man.
Yeah.
And they're asking Baba to write jokes.
I get to Chandigarh airport. I get flown in a helicopter.
What?
Okay. Yes. I did not.
Fuck.
मेरे को लगा कि एक आएगा इंडिगो उठाने को हम लोग को बिना एसी का हेलीकॉप्टर लेके गया मेरे को ये. So now the first thought in my head is मैं वापस नहीं जा सकते. Like how, if this show doesn't work, if I do a bad job, I can't just like take a cab and leave because I don't know where the fuck I am. Okay, I get to it. We land in the wedding plot. We land in the wedding plot. That's how big this is.
ऐसा
Okay?
मंडप पे लैंड किया था.
Almost. So outside, then they come. There's a.
I love that. अगर मंडप पे bride and groom हेलीकॉप्टर से लैंड कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे पंडित अपनी चिता वो आग को जलाने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
पंडित
पंखा बंद
अपनी
करो
चिता
यार.
जला रहा है. पंडित अपनी चिता जला. That's what he was about to say.
Fuck, you know, मैंने सुना पंडित चीता जला रहा है. मैंने बोला, चीता का पंडित ने चीता को पकड़ा कैसे पहले?
अरे बहुत बड़ा प्लॉट है यार. चीता घूम रहा है इतने बड़े प्लॉट.
लेकिन उसको पकड़ने के लिए पंडित को क्या भेजा?
There comes a moment in every podcast where one conversation happens that's just so stupid. Every conversation at least once.
पंडित चीता जला रहा है.
This party is a dream because they are going all out. They're not sparing anybody. They were like, ये drugs करता है, ये padded bra पहनती है, ये. They were going all
ये
out.
एक मिनट, this was what every time when people walking नमस्ते
No,
ब्रा पहनती है,
Hello,
ये
padded
drugs
bra.
के ये drugs.
Hello cocaine. Hello heroin.
This is the
Hello
right
guys,
thing.
नमस्ते.
कैसे क्रिस्टल मैथ. वहाँ पे हाथी ना गंगा जल नहीं फेंकता है, वो ग्लेन फिडिच 14 years फेंकता है सब.
क्या चल रहा है bro?
Wait, no. So this
ये तो
guy-
रॉथस्चाइल्ड की शादी पे गया था.
ये रॉथस्चाइल्ड की शादी है बाबा.
Illuminati confirmed.
रॉथस्चाइल्ड का हरियाणा वर्जन के शादी पे गया था. तो हरियाणा रॉथस्चाइल्ड.
रोहतक चाइल्ड.
Rohtak child. And I was performing at the Sangeet the night before. So I was performing at the Sangeet off that night. So afternoon, suddenly I hear yelling from my room. Okay. So I just look out and there are people with guns who
What?
have come and they're just pointing and they're all like ready to shoot. मैं बोला मैं किधर है? ये मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं है कि मैं क्या और मैं क्या ये जोक तो नहीं लिख सकता. I looked out of my window and there was a gun. ये तो नहीं लिख पाएगा. Apparently, the bride was pregnant with some other dude's kid.
Oh, I was right.
वाओ कौन तो bullseye dude.
So they and
Amazing.
apparently they found out or whatever.
Amazing.
So after all of this, they have cancelled the wedding. Okay,
Oh,
on the
fuck.
night they have cancelled the wedding with all of these things. They give me my money, send me back to the airport, and I fly back. So right
Fuck.
from then, my shows were getting cancelled.
I don't know if I've told this story, so forgive me if I have. मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ ना, आवाज आ रहा है और मेरे बाल उड़ रहे हैं. ना क्या है, ऊपर देखा ना ड्रोन है.
Drone.
पर ड्रोन तो नॉर्मल है शादी में.
नॉर्मल है.
नॉर्मली ड्रोन से फुटेज लेते हैं, लेकिन इस पे फुटेज नहीं था. इसमें था एक प्लेट जिसके ऊपर था खाना और ड्रोन किचन से उड़ के जा रहा है स्ट्रेट टेबल पे और हो रहे हैं लैंड ताकि पब्लिक के पास जल्दी पहुंचे. 4-5 ड्रोन ब्रो. ड्रोन के ऊपर कभी पनीर टिक्का देखा है लाइफ में?
Oh,
So
shit.
it's
Bro,
flying,
psycho
going
wedding.
over my head, it's going on a table, landing there, और फिर पब्लिक पनीर उठा रहा है, फिर ड्रोन वापस पलटी.
By the way, you know something? The only downside to having drones is that you can't tell one drone कि अरे वो समोसा वाला drone भेजना. Like
Dude, so you know, one of my friends got married to a girl who's half German, half Italian. Okay, so उसका शादी इधर बॉम्बे में जब हुआ था. हाँ, अबे सोनिया गांधी जर्मन थोड़ी है, चूती है. वो हाफ इटालियन है बस, या फुल इटालियन है. ठीक है, तो
वो हाफ इटालियन नहीं है, वो फुल इटालियन है.
full है.
हाँ फुल है.
राहुल गांधी
ठीक
half.
है. तो शादी में उनको भी पूरा बताया कस्टम्स के बारे में. इट्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी white people, right? But close to the shadi, not friends coming.
Correct.
It's like now the bride is also not Indian, bro. So it was very interesting to see how they. So the whole family from her side, whole family, as in like 4, 5, 6 of them were here, and they were killing it. Okay, they were dancing more than all of us. they're fully involved, and for them
But that's
also
because
really,
they also get really excited.
yeah,
Like
they
white,
get,
like foreigners in an Indian wedding are extremely
yeah,
enthusiastic
yeah,
because
of
they
course.
lose their shit.
Dude,
Because
we
also
get fried, right? Like we get bored कि अरे यार अभी क्या पंडित 8 घंटा बात करेगा ये वो, but
अरे
they were enjoying it,
You
so
know
they were
something?
Dude, South
participating.
Indian weddings are great, dude. They get over in like 2 minutes.
No, so get this, okay, they were participating in all of those things, तो उसमें जूता छुपाने वाला सीन हुआ, ठीक है? So now अभी जूता छुपाना है, तो we were trying to hide his shoes ये वो, लेकिन जूते उनके पास लड़की वाले साइड के पास पहले आ गए, ठीक है? They managed to get it. Now we had to find where they are and bring it out. Except the girl side, which were anyway like 5-6 people, right? They had it, और उसमें से आधे गोरे. तो छुपाएंगे तो कहाँ छुपाएंगे? हम लोग ढूंढेंगे, हम लोग हर जगह ढूंढ रहे, पूरा टाइम शक था कि गाड़ी में, और हम लोगों ने देखा भी, और पूरा टाइम जाके देखे गाड़ी में कहाँ है, कांट सीट. इवेंचुअली मैंने उसके भाई को पूछा जो जर्मन है कि यू नो I'm sure the shoes are in the car. So बोला yeah, but you'll never find it. So I said no, I mean, where can it be? It's in the car. He's like, I'm German. We know our cars. उसने कुछ तो खोल बोल के गाड़ी में ऐसे जगह पे रखा है that it's in plain sight, but you people like us won't get it.
Oh wow.
damn.
The way he said bro,
Talk
I'm
about
German.
German flex.
German engineering, लेकिन इधर it was quite cool.
So obviously most of us now are love marriage, right? We're converts. But like, so there was a time, and I think it was even you could almost say 20 years ago, love marriage was the exception, not the rule, right? Like most majority wise, it was like a
Fair.
it was a arranged marriage scene.
No, and then it came to lover arranged दोनों. You know,
हाँ,
like
love come.
Yeah.
पहले
Love and arrange.
लव कम
Love
अरेंज,
and
क्योंकि
arrange.
किसने मिलाया मुझे 2 हफ्ते पहले, अब मैं उसे प्यार करती हूँ, ठीक है ये?
और the other way of saying नहीं ये तो बचपन से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, बस प्यार हो
जानते
गया.
Arranged love marriage.
No, so by the way, that's the funniest fucking thing where like there'll be an arranged marriage, right? And immediately, like there'll be 2 weeks, and then right after that on Instagram, you'll start seeing captions like, "Oh my God, my forever, my beloved, he's the life of my life." No, but how did you fall in love in 2 weeks? Like so
Randomly.
deeply in love with some guy your parents saw with a photo.
तो different traditions across the world जो शादियों में होती है. अर्मीनिया में they break bread.
Yeah.
Congo में the bride and groom are not allowed to smile only throughout the wedding.
Yeah.
शादी खत्म होने के बाद ही तू smile कर सकते है, वरना अपशगुन है.
No, but the reason is because if you smile, then you're not taking the wedding seriously.
Yeah. And dude, this France वाला thing is actually true. Potty mouth ये भी मैंने देखा, अभी पढ़ा मैंने.
अरे क्योंकि मैंने भी वहां से ही पढ़ा था ना.
अच्छा हाँ तू.
Oh wow.
But like, I don't know if this is cute, but this is definitely like one of the most extravagant things that I had seen as a kid. It was, I think, 2015 or right before the Beijing Olympics. And why Beijing Olympics is important is because Beijing Olympics were happening in domes. And for the first time, they had used...
First of all, stop calling it BG.
Beijing.
It is Beijing.
Baba was itching for soul.
It's a proper noun, laudu.
अरे लेकिन मैं तेरे को अदर नहीं बोला सकता ना.
A lot of people do call me that apparently.
When you go for a शादी and it's your best friend, तेरा vibe ही अलग है.
Yeah.
Every small thing just मैं रोया नहीं था कभी शादी पे, लेकिन ओमना के शादी पे वो उन लोग ऐसे पालकी वालकी कुछ लेके आते ना जिसके नीचे ब्राइड चल रही है. ब्रो मेरा तो टैप शुरू हो गया. मैं ऐसे वीडियो ले रहा हूँ, मेरी आवाज आ रही है वीडियो में रोने की. I just couldn't because I've never cried at a शादी, bro.
By the way,
और इधर ये ओमना के शादी में रो दिया है.
this is exactly, by the way, this is exactly what I felt like at the U2 concert. Exact.
जब वो लोग बोनो को लेके आ रहे थे पालकी में, हाँ बोनो को पालकी में लेके आ रहे थे नीचे से. It was really nice.